Good morning, friends. My name is Mahesh. I am from India. So I have discovered this magic square puzzles, and many of you may be wondering, or several of you may be knowing what is magic squares. But this magic square is a relatively not so popular topic, but it is very interesting topic. Okay. First, I will tell you what is a magic square. So this is a 8 by 8 magic square. Okay. This is a 8 by 8 magic square. This was constructed by me. Okay. And 8 into 8. What is 8 into 8? 8 into 8 is equal to 64. So we are using numbers from 1 to 64 in this magic square, and each number is used only once. Okay. So that all these 8 rows gives a total of 260. Okay. Rows gives you 260, and then columns also gives you 260. Like that, okay, and it has got two diagonals. This is one diagonal and this is another diagonal. This gives you 260, 260. Okay, that is the basic rule for 8 by 8 magic square. So we will see one row, one column, and one diagonal to see whether these rules are applied here or followed here. Okay, now we can randomly choose any of the rows. Okay. These are the rows. Any rows we can choose. Suppose we choose this row. Okay. 62 plus 35 what? 97. 97 plus 31. 97 plus 31. 97 plus 1. 98. 98 plus 30. 128. 128 plus 2. 130. So this gives you 130. And what is this? 58 plus 39. So what you can do is this. Take 1 from here. Put it here. Then it becomes 57, it becomes 40. So 40 plus 57, 97. 97 plus 27. 97 plus 7 is equal to 104. 104 plus 20, 124. 124 plus 6 is equal to 130. So these 4 gives you 130 and these 4 gives you 130. Total you get 260. Okay. Now we have seen one row. We will see one column. Okay. So this is what, this column you will take. Anything we can take, we are taking this column. 36 plus 31, 67. 67 plus 30, 97. 97 plus 33, it is 130. So these 4 numbers gives you 130. And what is this? 40 plus 23, 67. 44 plus 23, 67. 67 plus 22, 69, 89. 89 plus 41, 130. So these 4 gives you 130, these 4 gives you 130, total you get 260. So we are seeing one row and one column. We are seeing. Okay. Now we have to see one diagonal. So we will see this diagonal. 1 plus 35, 36. 36 plus 30, 66. 66 plus 64, 130. So these 4 gives you 130. What is this? 13 plus 47, 60. 60 plus 18, 78. 78 plus 52, 130. So this is 130 and this is 130. Total you get 260. Okay. So now you are seeing one row, one column and one diagonal. Okay. All this gives you 230, 230. Okay. In this we would have you would have observed one thing like that. These 4 gives you 130. This 4 gives you 130. This 4 gives you 130. Okay. Also we will see this 4. 61 plus 31. 92. 92 plus 34, 96, 126. 126 plus 4, 130. So this 4 is also 130. 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 Okay. Like that the same rule is applied here, here, here also. Okay. Now this is not the end of it. There are also still more patterns in this magic square. Okay. So you see here the colored regions. Okay. These colored regions gives you 130. So 1 plus 32 is equal to 33. 33 plus 35, it is equal to 68. 68 plus 62, 130. These 4 numbers gives you 130. These 4 numbers in the same color gives you 130. What is this? 36 plus 61, 97. 97 plus 2, 99. 99 plus 31, 130. So these 4 numbers gives you 130. So what is this? 63 plus 34, 97. 97 plus 4, it is 101. 101 plus 29, 130. These 4 numbers gives you 130. What is this? 30 plus 3, 33. 33 plus 33, 66. 66 plus 64, 130. These 4 numbers gives you 130. What is this? Center 2 by 2. 35 plus 31, 66. 66 plus 34, 100. And 100 plus 30 is 130. So, you see, these four numbers in the same color gives you 130. These 4 gives you 130. These 4 gives you 130. These 4 gives you 130. Center 2 by 2 also gives you 130. Apart from that, I have already seen that these 4 gives you 130, this 4 gives you 130, this 4 gives you 130, this 4 gives you 130. This 4 by 4 subsquare will also be like this. This 4 by 4 subsquare will also be like this. This 4 by 4 subsquare will always be like this. And this 4 by 4 subsquare will also be like this. Okay? We have to understand these rules so that only then we will be able to solve the magic square puzzle. Okay? We will now solve one magic square puzzle. Okay? Now we will solve this magic square puzzle. Just going to give a small recap. Okay? This is there is a 8 by 8 magic square in this. Okay? So we are already, as I said to you, we are using numbers from 1 to 64. Okay? So some numbers I have given to you: 64, 41, 47, 37, 30, 32. These 6 numbers I have given to you. Okay? Out of 64, 6 numbers I have given to you. So therefore 58 numbers you have to find out. Okay? What is the rule here? So each number is used only once. And this gives you 130, this gives you 130, this gives you 130, and this gives you 130. That is one rule. Again, these 4 numbers in the same color gives you 130. These 4 numbers in the same color gives you 130. These 4 numbers in the same color gives you 130. These 4 numbers in the same color gives you 130. Center 2 by 2 also gives you 130. Okay? There are dotted lines here and there is a number here. What does it mean? These two numbers added together gives you the total of 64. And there is a dotted line here. Okay? Number 118 is given here. What does it mean? These 3 numbers when added gives you a total of 118. Understanding these rules or keeping these rules in mind, only then you will be able to solve the magic square puzzles. Okay? But once you solve these puzzles, magic square puzzles, what happens is that your interest in mathematics will go up dramatically. Okay? Because your fear factor for the numbers will be gone. You will be able to do mental arithmetic, mental calculation itself. That you will be seeing now, right? Okay? So now, what is this? In this magic square puzzle, we can start from anywhere, go anywhere, come anywhere. Okay? We can start here, go here, go here, go here. Like that we can go. There is no particular order that you have to follow. So suppose you want to solve this. What is this? These two numbers gives you a total of 64. This is one number I have given to you already. That is 64. 64 plus 64, 128. So these 3 numbers when you add together it gives you 128. And these 4 numbers gives you 130. So what is this? 130 minus 128, this is 2. If this is 2, what is this? These 2 numbers added together gives you 64. One number here found out to be 2. Another number is what? 64 minus 2, that is 62. Okay? And now, what is this? Can we find out? Yes. These 2 numbers gives you total of 5. And this number we have found out to be 62. So these 3 numbers, 62 plus 5 gives you 67. So these 3 numbers gives you 67. We know these 4 numbers gives you 130. What is this? This is 130 minus 67. This is 63. Okay? And what is this? These 4 numbers gives you 130. These 2 numbers gives you 64. This is 63. 64 plus 63, 127. So these 3 numbers gives you 127. These 4 numbers gives you 130. What is this? 130 minus 127. This is 3. If this is 3, what is this? These 2 numbers gives you 64. This is 3. This is 64 minus 3. That is equal to 61. Okay? Now, can we find out this one? Yes, we can find out this one. See, center 2 by 2 gives you 130. This is what? 66. This is 63. These 3 numbers when we add together it gives you 63 plus 66, 129. So these 3 numbers gives you 129. These 4 numbers gives you 130. This is 130 minus 129. This is 1. Okay. And what is this? These two numbers gives you 5. One we have found out to be 1, another one is 4. Okay. Now, can you find out this one? Yes. These two numbers gives you a total of 64. This number I have already given to you, it is 47. What is 64 plus 47? 64 plus 7, 71. 71 plus 40, add in terms. 81, 91, 101, 111. These three numbers gives you 111. And these four numbers should give you 130. This is 130 minus 111. This is 19. Okay. So now, can you find out this one? Yes. This diagonal should give you 130. Okay. 19 plus 1, 20. 20 plus 64, 84. So these three numbers gives you 84. These four numbers should give you 130. What is this? 130 minus 84. This is 46. This is 46. What is this? These two numbers gives you 66. This is 46. So this is 66 minus 46. That is 20. Okay. So what is this one? So 61 plus 1, 62. 62 plus 20, 82. So these three numbers gives you 82. These four numbers gives you 130. This is 130 minus 82. This is 48. Okay. What is this one? You can find it out in several ways. Okay. These four numbers gives you 130. That way you can use. And these four numbers gives you 130. That way also you can use. So you see 3 plus 63, 66. 66 plus 46. 66 plus 6. Divide it. Okay. 46 can be divided as 40 plus 6. 66 plus 6, 72. 72 plus 40. 82, 92, 102, 112. So these three numbers gives you 112. These four numbers gives you 130. 130 minus 112, this is 18. Okay, this is 18. What is this one? Can you find out? These four numbers should give you 130. We have three numbers here. So this is 47. These two numbers add up to 66. 66 plus 47. 66 plus 7, 73. 73 plus 40, 83, 93, 103, 113. These three numbers gives you 113. These four numbers should give you 130. This is 130 minus 113. This is 17. So what is this? You can find it out in different ways. These four numbers should give you 130, or these four numbers should give you 130. These four numbers should give you 130, or diagonal should give you 130. Any way you can use it. Okay. 2 plus 63, 65. 65 plus 20, 85. These three numbers gives you 85. These four numbers will give you 130. This is 130 minus 85. This is 45. Now we have finished one sub-square of this magic square puzzle. Okay, we will solve this one. Try to solve this one. So now we will see whether we can solve this 4x4 sub-square. Okay. Now, can we solve this one? Yes. These three numbers gives you 87. These four numbers should give you 130. So what is this? 130 minus 87. This is 43. Okay. So if that is 43, okay, what is this one? Can you find out this one? Yes. These two numbers gives you 31. This is 41. That 41 I have given to you already. 31 plus 41, 72. So these three numbers gives you 72. These four numbers should give you 130. This is 130 minus 72. This is 58. Okay. And then what else we can find out? Can we find out this one? Yes. We know the center 2 by 2 should give you 130. So what is this? These three numbers gives you 86. So what is this? This is 130 minus 86. That is 44. Okay. If that is 44. So to find out the clues within this square, it is a little bit difficult now. So we can solve this one. After that we will come here. Okay. Now what is this? So these two gives you 63. This is 32. So you add these three, you get 32 plus 63, 95. Okay. So these three gives you 95. These four gives you 130. This is 130 minus 95. This is 35. So 43 plus 78, 43 plus 35 is equal to 78. That also is fulfilled. Okay. Now can we find out this one? Yes, we can find out this one. So this is 32, this is 47. You add these two things. 47 plus 32, 79. These 3 gives you 79. These 4 gives you 130. This is 130 minus 79. This is 51. Okay. So now, can we find out this one? Yes, we can find out. These 2 gives you 64. This is 30. And we know that 4 numbers in the same color gives you 130. 64 plus 30, 94. Okay. So these 3 numbers gives you 94. These 4 numbers gives you 130. This is 130 minus 94. This is 36. This is 36. What is this? These 2 numbers add to 51. This is 36. And this is 51 minus 36. That is equal to 15. Okay. So then what is this one? This is 30. These 2 gives you 51. So these 3 add up to 81. Okay. But we know these 4 numbers should give you 130. This is 130 minus 81. This is 49. Okay. If this is 49, what is this? These 2 numbers gives you 63. So this is 49. So what happens is that, put it as 63 minus 50. That is 13. Add 1 to it. So here it is 14. Okay. Like that. So now can we find out this one? Yes, we can find out. You can find out these 4 numbers gives you 130. That way you can find out. Or these 4 numbers in the same colored region gives you 130. That way also you can find out. This is 63. This is 15. So these 3 numbers gives you 78. Okay. So what is this? This is 130 minus 78. That is equal to 52. This is 52. What is this? So center 2 by 2 gives you 130. 47 plus 52. That is equal to 99. So these 3 are up to 99. So these 4 gives you 130. This is 130 minus 99. This is equal to 31. This is equal to 31. What is this? These 2 gives you 64. One is 31. 64 minus 31 is equal to 33. Okay. Now, can we find out this one? Yes, we can find out. So, these 4 numbers should give you 130. So, like that. 30 plus 33, it is 63. 63 plus 51. 63 plus 1, 64. 64 plus 50, 114. Like, put it like that. 73, 74, 84, 94, 104, 114. These 3 are to 114. These 4 gives you 130. This is 130 minus 114. That is equal to 16. So once you have done that, can you find out this one? Yes. The diagonal should give you 130. Okay. 52 plus 49 is equal to 101. 101 plus 16, 117. So these 3 numbers gives you 117. These 4 numbers should give you 130. 130 minus 113 is 117 is equal to 13. Okay. So what is this? This is 13. Okay. These 2 numbers gives you 47. Okay. Now what is this? You can find it out in several ways. So these 4 numbers should give you 130. Or these 2 numbers should give you 47. Or these 4 numbers should give you 130. Either of the way you can use it. Okay. Easiest way is 47 minus 13. That is equal to 47 minus 3, 44. 44 minus 10, 34. So like that. This is 34. So what is this one? So here also you can add these 4 numbers to give you 130. Or these 4 numbers should give you 130. So 35 plus 32, 67. 67 plus 34. 67 plus 4, 71. 71 plus 30, 101. So these 3 numbers gives you 101. These 4 numbers gives you 130. This is 130 minus 101, 29. Okay. What is this one? These 4 numbers should give you 130. Or these 4 numbers should give you 130. Or these 4 numbers should give you 130. Okay. 51 plus 13 is equal to 64. 64 plus 16 is equal to 70, 80. These 3 numbers gives you 80. And these 4 numbers gives you 130. This is 130 minus 80. This is equal to 50. Okay. Now we have found out this 2 subsquares we have finished. Okay. Can we now go to this subsquare? Now we will be able to solve this subsquare in a better way. Okay. So you can solve this one. Yes. This is 44. This is 44 and this is 50. 50 plus 44, 94. We have seen that these three numbers should give you 100. So what is this? 100 minus 94, 6. Okay, what is this? These two numbers gives you 89. One of the number is 29. So this is 89 minus 29. This is 60. Okay, so if this is 60, can you find out this one? Yes, you can find out. So these four numbers should give you 130. Okay, so 60 plus 43, 103. 103 plus 6, 109. These three gives you 109. These four gives you 130. This is 130 minus 109. This is equal to 21. If this is equal to 21, what is this? These four numbers should give you 130. So 44 plus 6, 50. 50 plus 21 is equal to 71. These three numbers gives you 71. These four numbers should give you 130. This is 130 minus 71. This is 59. Okay. If this is 59, what is this? These three numbers are to give you 118. Two numbers we have found out. What is this? 59 plus 17. 59 plus 7 is equal to 66. 66 plus 10 is equal to 76. So these two numbers gives you 76. And these three numbers will give you 118. You do one thing. 100 minus 76. So that is equal to 24. 24 plus 18. 24 plus 8, 32. 32 plus 10, 42. Okay. So here you put 42. Okay. Now what is this one? So 59 plus 21 is equal to 60, 80. 80 plus 42, 122. These three numbers gives you 122. These four numbers should give you 130. This is 130 minus 122, 8. This is 8. What is this one? You can solve it in several ways. These four numbers should give you 130, or these two numbers should give you 31. Okay. So put it like this. 41 plus 58 is equal to 99. 99 plus 8, 107. These three numbers gives you 107. These four numbers should give you 130. This is 130 minus 107, 23. 23 plus 8, 31. Okay. Now, can you find out this one? Yes. These four numbers should give you 130, or these four numbers should give you 130. Okay. 44 plus 6, 50. 50 plus 23, 73. Okay. These three numbers gives you 73. These four numbers should give you 130. This is 130 minus 73. This is equal to 57. If this is 57, what is this one? Because now you can go to the diagonals. Okay. So 21 plus 44 is equal to 65. 65 plus 58. 65 plus 8, 73. 73 plus 50, adding tens. 83, 93, 103, 103, 123. So these three numbers gives you 123. These four numbers will give you 130. This is 130 minus 123. This is 7. This is 7. What is this one? So these four numbers should be 130, or these four numbers should be 130. Okay. Now 41 plus 58 is equal to 99. 99 plus 7, 106. These three numbers gives you 106. These four numbers should give you 130. This is 130 minus 106. This is equal to 24. This is 24. What is this one? You can solve it in these four numbers gives you 130. That way you can find out. Or these three numbers gives you 87. That way also you can find out. Okay. So 58 plus 24, 62, 82. These two numbers gives you 82. These three numbers gives you 87. So this is 87 minus 82. That is equal to 5. Okay. This is 5. What is this? So these four numbers should give you 130, or these four numbers should give you 130, or these four numbers should give you 130, or this diagonal should give you 130. Any rule you can apply here. 60 plus 41, 101. 101 plus 7, 108. These three numbers gives you 108. These four numbers should give you 130. So this is what? 130 minus 108, 22. Okay. Now we have completed three parts of the magic square. Okay. Now remaining only one part is that. Now we will now solve this last part. Okay. This is quite easy to solve. Okay. Now can you find out this one? Yes, we can find out this one. Center 2 by 2, you know that it should give you maximum of 130. So we have blocked here 3 numbers and give the total of 92 here. So what is this number? This is 130 minus 92, that is equal to 38. Okay, and this is 38. What is this one? 48 plus 38. What is it? 48 plus 8, 56. 56 plus 30, 86. These two numbers gives you 86. But we know these 3 numbers added to give you 114. So now split the problem. 100 minus 86, 14. So 100 plus 14 is 114. 14 plus 14, this is equal to 28. Okay. Now can we find out this one? Yes. These 4 numbers should give you 1, 2, 1. We have 3 numbers here. 45 plus 21, 66. 66 plus 16, that's equal to 66 plus 6, 72. 72 plus 10, 82. Okay. 100 minus 82 is 18. 18 plus 21. 18 plus 1, 19. 19 plus 20, 29, 39. Here it is 39. Okay. So now can we find out this one? Yes. 4 numbers in the same color region should give you 130. 28 plus 38. What is 28 plus 38? 28 plus 8, 36. 36 plus 30, 66. 66 plus 39. You can put 66 plus 39 as equal to 65 plus 40. 65 plus 40, it is 105. These 3 numbers gives you 105. These 4 numbers should give you 130. This is 130 minus 105. This is 25. Okay. Now can you find out this one? Yes. These 3 numbers should give you 86. 25 plus 51 is equal to 76. These 2 numbers give you 76. These 3 numbers should give you 86. So this is 86 minus 76. This is equal to 10. So now can you find out this one? Yes. 4 numbers in the same colored region should give you 130. These 2 numbers gives you 67. This is 10. So these 3 numbers gives you 77. So these 4 numbers should give you 130. This is what? 130 minus 77, that's equal to 53. So what is this one? So these 4 numbers should give you 130. 28 plus 38. 28 plus 8, it is equal to 36. 36 plus 30, 66. 66 plus 53. 66 plus 3, 69. 69 plus 50, 79, 89, 99, 109, 119. So these 3 numbers gives you 119. These 4 numbers should give you 130. This is 130 minus 119. This is 11. This is 11. What is this? These 2 numbers gives you 67. This is 11. That is equal to 56. Okay. Now, what else you can find out? Can you find out this number? Yes. So these 4 numbers should give you 130. This is 67. These 2 numbers gives you 67. This is 37. 67 plus 7, 74. 74 plus 30, 104. So these 3 numbers gives you 104. These 4 numbers should give you 130. This is 130 minus 104. That is equal to 26. Okay. Then what is this? Diagonal should give you 130. Okay. 39 plus 38. See what you do? Take it as 40 plus 40. Okay. 40 plus 40, 80. 80 minus 3. So that is equal to 77. 77 plus 26. 77 plus 6, 83. 83 plus 20, 93, 103. These 3 numbers gives you 103. These 4 numbers should give you 130. This is 130 minus 103. This is equal to 27. Okay. What is this number? Center 2 by 2 gives you 130. Okay. So 27 plus 53 equal to 60, 80. 80 plus 38. 80 plus 8, 88. 88 plus 30, 98, 108, 118. Okay. So 118. So what is this? These 3 numbers gives you 118. These 4 numbers gives you 130. This is 130 minus 118. This is equal to 12. So if this is equal to 12, what is this one? 12 plus 38, 50. 50 plus 25, 55. 75. 50 plus 25, 75. What is this? 130 minus 75. This is equal to 55. Okay. So what is this one? 27 plus 53, 60, 80. 80 plus 10, 90. So these three numbers gives you 90. These four numbers gives you 130. This is 130 minus 90. This is equal to 40. So what is this one? These two numbers gives you 28. This is 19. 19 plus 9 equal to 28. What is this one? These two numbers gives you 72. This is 18. 72 minus 18. Put it like that. 72 minus 20. 52. 52 plus 2. 54. Okay. Now we have completed one magic square puzzle. To solve this magic square puzzle, we have done now hundreds of calculations using addition, subtraction and also logical. So solving just one magic square puzzle, it would increase your mental calculation. It would remove the fear of maths from your mind. Once that fear factor is removed, then you will be able to learn mathematics well. To know more about this magic square puzzle, to solve this magic square puzzle, you can log in to my website www.magicsquarepuzzles.com. Okay, and these puzzles appear in popular newspapers in India. So you can get a free training anytime if you go to my website. Thank you. Good day. Bye.